High school teacher forced to resign after these semi-nude photos of her were sent out into the cyberspace by her students. Teacher was outside the classroom. A male student grabbed the phone, accessed the pictures, and just sent them out to the classmates, and they sent them out to the world, I guess. School says the teacher is to blame because she left the students unattended. Of course.
No.
Back with Rolanda, Sarah, Aaron, and Mike. Of course, Mike.
Guys, you can't be bringing in this trash into the classroom, leave it on their desk, and not expect a 16-year-old to maybe possibly get it. That is so irresponsible for whatever, a 40-year-old woman to say,
oh,
it's...
I hope you're kidding.
No way.
Exactly.
You're going to bring that trash into the classroom and leave it on your desk?
Wait a minute. Whoa.
Look
wait
at
a minute.
Rolanda's phone now.
No. I keep my phone locked. I keep my phone locked. But seriously, I mean, that woman, it is her phone. She was sending those pictures to her husband. That's her business. And that kid stole the phone and misused his privilege to be in that classroom.
Brought it into her classroom. Come on, that's so irresponsible.
It's her phone. We take our phones
No, it's
everywhere.
the taxpayer's
Aaron,
classroom. It's my kid's classroom.
Mike is polemical. Aaron, I'm surprised at you. I'm surprised. How dare you? You should be ashamed of yourself. This woman needs some support. Come on.
No, she got fired for being stupid.
She's not fired. She was forced to resign.
Now, why, please tell me, Sarah, why is this not another Aaron Andrews situation? And by the way, I tell all my attorney's friends, if Aaron Andrews gets that $75 million she's asking for, you guys are going to get on the next flight to South Carolina to put her in a civil courtroom, right?
Right.
Because it is the same situation.
She is a victim. Okay, this
Guys
is
stole her phone.
Yeah,
Aaron Andrews has no responsibility to children in her room.
This is a 16-year-old. He's not a 12-year-old, okay? He's a 16-year-old creep who goes to her phone. He had to go through several steps to get to those photos.
Right.
He goes through the phone. He opens the apps. He gets to the photo gallery. He then selects what photos he wants to take screenshots of, send to himself, and then disseminate over social media. By the way, that's revenge porn under most state laws.
So he stole a phone and he engaged in revenge porn. It's against the law.
Let's be real. Like, both people can be wrong in this, but the teacher is the adult, and she should be the most responsible.
You're acting like this woman is a porn star and, like, just left her phone there for everybody to see. She's a teacher. This was an intimate part of her personal life that was in her phone. Like all of us have. I'm not saying we all have nudes, but, you know, we all have stuff in our phone.
Why did you look at me?
You lose that expectation when you bring it into the classroom. It's taxpayers' property. You got your kids present, not appropriate under any circumstance.
Do you think that's why the school, Rolanda, backed off going after the student because there are guys like Mike out there that
Well, I will say this. Looking at the report, there was a report that she had let the students use her phone often.
I heard that.
That's a problem.
She
now
didn't
that's
say
a
that.
problem.
She denied that. Now, I don't know if that's true or not.
But just because she let them use her phone on certain occasions with her permission doesn't give them carte blanche to go in through her phone and pick up her nudes and distribute them, like, while she's not there.
Aaron, what's the matter?
Here's the deal. When you work with adolescents, you need to be aware that they don't have executive functioning yet. They don't have good decision making yet. You're an adult, you're working with adolescents. You have to think through these things.
But a 16-year-old who's like post-puberty and out to get some?
Yes, she should know, but you're making our argument too, because she should also know. And when teachers especially tell kids not to post anything on the internet that could be inappropriate, don't take selfies, right? How about a little bit of role modeling from our teachers?
I think it's outrageous that nobody is looking at this kid. He's not facing any discipline by the school.
That's not true.
He's not being
he is now.
charged.
Apparently he is now. There is some issues about the porn distribution. And he also, after the incident, told the teacher, quote, "Your day of reckoning is coming." So there is some sort of threatening charges there, and there's concern that you know, this kid does need a little work, right? I mean, there's something wrong with the kid.
Who knows if he like flunked the class?
I'm weirdly, but I got to tell you something. I'm weirdly persuaded by Mike. I'm embarrassed.
Right, take
but I'm not on board. I'm not on board because I do think it's an Aaron Andrews situation in that this woman, her private space was violated and then distributed on the internet. That really bothers me, and I know Sarah's going to be on Next Plane to South Carolina, depending on what the amount is that Aaron Andrews gets, mind you.
If the kid went to her house and stole the phone out of her kitchen, then yes. she brought it into the classroom where it's very easy for a child to take it.
I'm troubled by the idea that ease of, that's like saying that kid we talked about in the last block, the woman's checks were sitting out and it's easy for him to take those
He's
checks.
also wrong. He's also wrong. I think we think we have to be in like one side or the other. Like everyone can be wrong, but the teacher is the adult.
But why can't that kid know that that is wrong?
Should. And the
You
parents
know
should be
that that's wrong.
Absolutely,
What
and
he
parents
did.
should be held responsible.
And the teacher says, you know, she has some quotes here. They're very similar to what you've heard from Erin Andrews. She says, quote, "The whole premise of my privacy being invaded is being ignored." I do think that, Mike, you bothered me. I'm really bothered by you. Because I want to protect kids. And when I first heard the story, too, I had a little bit of that same feeling, like, why'd you have that in the room? But then I'm like, the kid stole the phone. The kid opened the phone. He probably just was so happy that it hadn't locked out yet. And of course, she intended it to lock out. And of course, you know, you want to be as vigilant as you can around kids and have the phone locked quicker. It is her mistake that happened, but it doesn't make what the kid did okay or right.
Would you bring an alcoholic to a bar?
Sometimes.
Really? You would bring alcohol around an alcoholic?
Sometimes. It depends what stage
Well,
of recovery they're
would you leave in any way anything remotely pornographic to an underage kid?
No, and I would not, if somebody were a heroin addict, I would not have them out of
But you're assuming that
That's
this
assuming
woman...
that kid is sick, though.
Right.
Every
And also,
16-year-old boy is
yes.
sick.
it's also, no.
Breach!
It's also assuming that this woman, she probably didn't even remember she had this photo. It's not like she's in the business of taking nudes.
No, Erin, that may be true. I know. See, Sarah's talking from experience. She's forget about some of those things on your phone occasionally. I know. What?
Haven't we seen that nudes get out? It's happening with celebrities. If
Yeah.
you're going to take nudes, put it in photo lock. Put it in the photo booth
But
thing.
still,
that locks
people
it.
should be able to have their private space on their electronic equipment. I'm just, and Sarah, I apologize. I don't mean to make. I hope you don't.
Oh, no
totally
apologies.
it's just
Right,
in
of
good
course.
fun. I see you.
No, look, you know, I've had clients' nudes in my phone. I mean, there's things that people can get to if they go through my phone. The bottom line is what we're
Listen,
honest
there's
about, which
stuff.
is
It makes
you
you think.
don't do that.
Who amongst us doesn't have something in here that they're like, ooh, it makes you pause?
Yeah, those before and after shots when you do a diet, if that got out, that would be horrible.
All right, I've got more crazy behavior, this time from a Ukrainian man who posed as a Pennsylvania high school student. He is busted.